Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our shout out and our golden ticket assembly. It's Friday the 19th of June and we're ready for nursery, reception, year 1 and year 2, shout outs and golden tickets. It's lovely to see you posting so much on Tapestry and keeping that up all the way through and working just as hard at home as you do at school. So thank you mums and dads, thank you everyone for keep posting. It is lovely to see all those really smiling faces, and we will see lots of them this morning for lots and lots. It's the most shout outs we've ever had. So look at these guys here. We're going to start off in nursery and you will see we've got Matilda, Charlotte, Lily, Georgia, Willow, Mason, Ava and Emily. All of you, huge smiles on your faces and all of you being so independent and helping out. I know you can see Matilda there helping out, washing the car. Come and wash mine next please Matilda, thank you. You'll have a queue around your house soon, I'm sure. But all of you working so hard. Charlotte there helping out with Melissa, picking her out and around, which is really lovely to see. We've seen that a few times now and it's so lovely. Everyone looking out for our community and looking after each other, which is what the spirit of what we're trying to do and everyone's trying to do. So thank you again there, Charlotte. All of you, huge smiles. Big thumbs up for Ava as well there. Lovely smile there in amongst the poppies. Okay, so lovely to see you guys. But the golden ticket this week goes to none other than Keely! Here she comes. Look at that. Talk about being independent. Here she is, brushing her teeth. It's really important. You brush your teeth in the morning, you brush it at night. 2 minutes each time, so make sure you keep it up. And it's fantastic, Keely, to see you doing that. And getting on so well with Blake there. Absolutely lovely to see you getting on with your siblings. And I know full well Blake would be so proud of you because I know he's already got one there. So you'll join him now, Keely. So really well deserved, hun. You're working so hard, being so independent. Keep it up, hun. I'm so impressed with you and see that lovely smiling face. This should be coming in the post to you today, so look out for it. Well done, hun. So proud of you. Moving on to reception, you see Turtle Class. Look again. Look at all these shout-outs. We've got Rebecca, Bartos, Beatrice, Elita, Riley, Honey, Jack, Sam, Scarlett, Sophie, and Tasnem. There he is, Jack, with his golden ticket from last week. Well done, Jack. So proud of you last week, man. But all of you, huge smiles, working so hard. Some fantastic work going on with your writing, your reading, doing all your sounds, colouring in. It is exquisite, but all with really smiley faces. Keep it up, guys. Loving it. Look, weighing out rice and that, getting ready to do some cooking as well and helping out home. Keep helping out, everyone, because I know it's really helpful for mum and dads as well. So please keep that up, guys. Well done. But the golden ticket this week goes to Scarlett. Well done, Scarlett. There she is, big smiley face. Absolutely brilliant there, hun. So lovely your big smiley face there. All the work that you are posting. It's so lovely to see. Keep it up. You are working so hard and I know we're really impressed with you. So please look out for this. Postman's bringing it today, so look out for it, hun. It's in the post. Have a nice smiley face on Tapestry, please, when it arrives. Well done. So proud of you. Moving on. We've got Shark Cast. Look at this. Again, we've got Alex, Mantadas, Woody, Logan, Eliza, and Olivia. Olivia, your name, you've written that so beautifully. You've been practicing your writing every single day. I can clearly see that. It is so beautiful. Eliza there, out as well, enjoying the sunshine. Lots of you getting out as well. Getting out in the countryside, doing lots of treasure hunts and spotting all different things with different sounds. That's really lovely to see. Please do keep posting and keep up with those smiley faces. The golden ticket though for Shark Class goes to Ethan! Look at him, here he is. Doing his pencil control, doing that so neatly. If you look at that, he's following that really carefully. And all of that, the pencil control, doing all your sounds, writing and practicing that every single day will really help. Even just writing your name every single day will help with all of that. So please do keep that up, Ethan. You so deserve this, buddy. Look out for this. It's coming in the post today. Postman should bring it. So a nice smiley face for you with that, please, on Tapestry. Well done, Ethan. Proud of you, buddy. Moving on to year 1. Here we go. Look, Miss Ruffles class. I said we got lots of shout outs. Look at it. We've got Mason, we've got Oliver, Muntar, Omo, Tyler, Jordan, Daria, Luke, Luca, Cece, Sky, Rosie, and Ruby. All of you smiling and working so hard on your reading, on your maths. Muntar enjoying a little ice cream treat there. She deserves that. She's been posting so much. She really does deserve that ice cream. And good. Look, if you look right in the middle, look at Luke. It's got the biggest rabbit I have ever seen. It is a giant rabbit. It's unbelievable. Look at the size of it. I don't think I've seen a rabbit so big. It's brilliant. Look, I really love it. It really made me smile and chuckle, so I really love it. But guys, you are all working so hard. Oliver, I need to point out, look at this. He's made some bagel pizzas. It's fantastic. You've got some bagels, put some tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and cheese. They look stunning, Oliver. I'm so impressed with those. So they do look really yummy. I just Wish I was there to enjoy them as well, so they look fantastic. One of them I really like the look of those, so I'm going to give it a go when I get home. Well done. Right, the golden ticket though goes to Rebecca. Well done, Rebecca. Here she is. Look at Rebecca. Look at your writing, Rebecca. It is so impressive. It's so neat, hun. You've clearly been practicing your writing every single day. Please do keep that up. You so deserve this. You're posting so much on Tapestry. So impressive, Rebecca. Look out for this. The postman should bring it today. It's really, really well deserved. So fantastic and well done. Moving on, we've got Miss Megan's class. Look at these again. Look at all these shout outs. You've got Rowan, Perla, Rosie, Brannan, Ebony, Casper, Olivia, Esma, Lee, Jacob, Mia May, and Gabby. Look at these smiley faces, guys. Look at you. All getting out. Esma getting some exercise. Fantastic on that rope swing there. Casper working really hard with his abacus on his maths as well. But all of you, your heads down, you're writing all the way through. It's just brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Well done, guys. So impressive. All of that work. Keep posting on Tapestry. Keep it up, because I'm so proud of every single one you've done. But the golden ticket for Miss Megan's class goes to Rion. Here he comes. Look at him. Rion, you superstar. Really well deserved, buddy. Really, really well deserved. So impressed with you. Look at you. All of that maths. Had a look at it. All correct. Everything you're doing, you're working so hard. So really well done, Rion. Really well deserved. I know your sisters will be really proud of you, okay? So do put that somewhere special and let's have a nice photo of you, maybe with you with your sisters, okay? And their ones from past times, okay? Be lovely to see. Moving on, year 2, here we go. Look again, Miss Hawkins. Look at these. Milana, Joseph, Max, Millie, Mia, Esme, Jakisha, Eric, and Mahia. Again, working so hard. Miss Hawkins is so impressed with every single one of you. There is so much maths going on as well as all your writing and everything else. We've got Max there, looking after the plants and looking after our fruits and our vegetables, and we have to make sure we keep watering those every day, especially this really hot weather that we are getting. The golden ticket, though, goes to Lexi. Here she comes. Lexi, really well done. And look at you, you absolute superstar. Your writing, your maths, all of that, all the sound, everything that you're doing, your reading as well that you're keeping up with as well. It's so impressive, Lexi, with a big smile on your face as well. You're doing so much at home. I'm so proud of you, hon. Keep it up. It'd be really lovely to see a picture of you, maybe with your big brother, okay? Because I know he got some of these, so look out for them. See if you can dig those out. Maybe see a nice family photo with some golden tickets, because it'd be lovely to see that, Lexi. So really well deserved. The postman should bring that to you today, hon, so look out for it. Finally, we've got Mrs. Cook's class. Here we go. Again, as I mentioned earlier, look at all these shouts out. A, North, Diego, Baron, Alea, Marshall, Tilly, Oscar, Thea, and Lila J. You guys are working so hard. It is phenomenal. But not only that, big smiling faces while you're working. It's just like you're at school. It's lovely to see how happy you all are in your work and how hard you are all working. And those big smiling faces, look at you all the way. Marshall, Diego, really lovely. Thea, just smiling all the way through, guys. Please keep it up. I know Mrs. Cook is so impressed. That's why we've got so many shout-outs, because you're posting so much on Tapestry. Well done, all of you. But the golden ticket this week for Mrs. Cook's class goes to Thea. Here she comes. Oh, Thea, fantastic. Look at that smiling face. Look at you. All that writing, you've done a page of writing and still smiling, because it looks like you're going to carry on, so it looks fantastic. Well done. And a wonderful piece of artwork. I love that artwork. That would look good on anyone's wall, so really well deserved, hon. I know you are posting, I know you're working so hard at home. Please do keep up there. This is coming today in the post to you. Really well deserved. Thank you, Mark. Thank you for keep posting. Keep it up, guys, right? Well done. Finally, from me, it's just left to say, obviously, we do know now school is closed until September. We're planning to get ready for everyone coming back in September. So please do stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy. Until next week, obviously Friday the 26th, my next shout out Golden Ticket Assembly. Please keep posting, keep smiling, everyone, and it'll be lovely to see more and more of you and lots of pictures of you working hard. Bye-bye now.